Hi and welcome. So today, anyway, here it's quite a rainy day, and the truth is that I have never been outside in a rainy day filming. Firstly, because the Canon EosM it's not waterproof, so it wouldn't resist to water, right? And secondly, neither my lenses are not waterproof, so yeah. Then of course I could just go outside in the shade somewhere where I'm and my camera and lenses are protected and film from there. But because I cannot move, I cannot go wherever I want, so I never went outside. But then I was thinking, let me just try at least, because I would love to record, film a little bit of raining moment also. Why not? And then I thought about umbrella, but if I'm having in one hand the umbrella, only record with the other hand, so it's not practical. So anyway, it's kind of complicated. So I said to myself, just a few seconds. Let me go outside just for a few seconds and let's just try it. So I went out, I filmed, my camera started to really be wet, the lens also. So I came inside and then the camera is still working. So I'm filming right now. The lens that I'm on is the Panasonic spherical 12 millimeters at the maximum aperture of 0.8. Right now I'm around 1-ish, and I'm using the crop mode 1:1 at 2.5K settings. And the lens that I took outside, it is this one. So it's the Computar APS TV lens, 8.5 millimeter at 1.3 aperture, and is the one that I have modified. I made the aperture to be mechanical, and I wanted to try it because at 1.3 maximum aperture, obviously outside I couldn't use it, but now because I can gradually close it down, I thought to myself that I can go and try out and use it. Plus, as I told you, there's an interesting mechanism inside, because there's an ND filter, and as it's closing down the iris in the middle, I can see there's a ND filter. So the technology is interesting. So I went outside and I filmed a couple of sequences directly in the rain. So I was wet. So please tell me, what do you think about it? The bokeh is really interesting for this lens. Tell me, what do you think about the bokeh of this lens? And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the thumbs up button.